you doing today?
Hi.
So how was your design consultant that came into your home?
Oh, he was wonderful.
Good.
Yeah. He was also from Michigan. We're from Michigan.
Yay!
Yeah, so he was very good, very professional. It was very easy to work with him.
It was a simple process.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
yeah,
good.
so.
And then how are the installers that came
The
in?
installers was very good. He's been doing the installation for several years. He was very professional, got everything done. He called in a couple of his guys that he works with because they had to move the furniture. And because our furniture was, should I show you the furniture they had to move?
Oh,
so it was very heavy.
The big slab.
Yeah. So they got everything done, the stairs, the bedroom on 4 hours.
Super
So,
great.
yeah,
And
very
so
good.
was the scheduling process pretty simple as well?
Yes. They were very cooperative, worked on our schedule. And
Good.
So,
That's what we like to hear. Well, thank you so much for taking your time with me today, Laura.
Okay.
You enjoy your week and your beautiful floors, okay?
All right, thank you.
Thank you.